Hey everyone, today I will be showing you how to create AI generated logos with Midjourney. Have you ever wondered how to design logos like the one for Lion Coffee or Future Shops? It is weird, right? Well, stick around because we will explore some innovative concepts generated by Midjourney and learn how to take these AI design logos to the next level. Before we proceed, allow me to introduce our channel to you. If you have an interest in staying updated on the latest AI tools and learning how to use them efficiently, this channel is a perfect fit for you. We offer easy-to-follow tutorials and strive to keep you informed. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your support greatly assists us in producing more videos. Now, let us begin. Before we dive into the logo design process, here is a trick. You can bring the Midjourney bot right into your Discord server, making it even more convenient to generate AI art. Simply create your own server, add the Midjourney bot, and start generating art in dedicated channels. Now, let us get to the heart of logo design using Midjourney. I have found that Midjourney also excels at creating logo type designs. Let us explore how to create logos for Lion Coffee and Future Shops. Please note that while Midjourney may struggle with text, we can work on the image part and tweak the text separately. The first step is to give Midjourney the proper prompts. In this case, we are generating a logo for Lion Coffee. Keep it simple and specify a white background to avoid any added elements. Once you have your AI-generated logos, it is time to pick the one that speaks to you. If you are not completely satisfied with the initial results, fear not. You can add additional prompts like minimal, vector, simple, and flat. This will help you refine your logo design even further. Remember, we can always adjust the text later. The fun doesn't stop there. To get a unique logo, you can also experiment with different design styles. Just specify the style you want in your prompt. I have shown you 3 different iconic designer styles, including Paul Rand, Saul Bass, and Massimo Vignelli. This will give your logo a distinct look inspired by their work. If you are designing a logo for a coffee shop or any other brand, consider using AI to create charming mascot logos. Specify elements like cute mascot, futuristic, or simple vector art to get fantastic results. You can easily add text alongside your mascot. When it comes to letter logos, Midjourney shines. AI is incredibly efficient at creating single letter logos. You can specify the letter, design style, and other attributes to generate the perfect letter logo for your brand. Once you have generated your AI design logo, you can use Canva to refine it if you want. This is where you can adjust the text, colors, and layout to create a logo that perfectly represents your brand. To ensure your logo has a transparent background in Canva, you might need to take a little detour. After downloading your logo from Midjourney with a white background, upload it into Canva and use the background remover tool to achieve the transparent background effect. In Canva, you can match the text and color to your AI-generated logo and create a clean, refined version of your logo. Make sure to hide any unwanted elements like the original text and add your own text or other design elements as needed. And lo and behold, you have successfully created an AI-generated logo with the help of Midjourney and fine-tune it in Canva. Remember, AI art is all about iteration, so don't be afraid to experiment and refine your designs until you find the perfect logo for your brand. I am really interested in hearing what you think. Will you make an AI-generated logo? If you decide to give it a shot, please don't hesitate to share your thoughts and insights in the comments. I am genuinely excited to hear about your experiences, and your valuable feedback could be a source of guidance for those considering trying it out as well. Thank you for watching, and again, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I hope this video helps you out, and I would love to see you in the next video.